Alright, what we're gonna do out here, I don't know what you're seeing. Hey, it's Texas. Yeah, we're gonna throw some Miller wafers, cheap ones, to the birds. Yeah, let's get them over here and we're gonna let you see what we do. Yeah, look at that water. Yeah. Feed them. Y'all feed them. You grab them, bust them in half, and throw them up in the air. Get some, break them in half, throw them up in the air. Keep going. Keep going. We're doing this while you're gone. Uh-oh. Break them in half and throw them up. Throw them to them. Aubrey, throw them to them. Throw it this way. Buddy, throw it up. Like that. Here, look. Look. Yeah, there you go. You throw it up. Yeah. Keep feeding. It's about the funnest thing there is around here.
I was telling my son not to shoot all your taxi ducks.
It'll be on YouTube, by the way. Maybe. Oh, one poop. Get him. Throw it up, Maddie. Underhand. Aubrey, don't throw them when there's cars coming. There you go. Fun. Are we almost out?
Yes.
All right, let's get it going. Y'all be back in a minute. She doesn't like birds. Oh, they're coming back. You better hurry. Hurry. Uh-oh, we're going to be in trouble now. She hates birds. We got birds everywhere. Alright. We're going to call that video done. Maddie and I are going to go for a ride. Yeah.